cleaning. Hardfloor. Power off. Please put back the machine to the charging base. Start charging.
Let's see what this cleaning does. Self-cleaning.
Start self-cleaning.
It's actually pretty quiet.
Self-cleaning finished.
Pretty neat, it really rings it out.
This is George cleaning up my house. We just turned him on. My house is quite a mess, so he'll have his work cut out for him. There is dog food here by the dog bowls. This is his house. I will show you. Oop, he just got that. Not sure what it was. There he goes. There's one of the cats that lives at my house, the residents. We named him George because he cleans really good and we really like him. He picks up everything. He gets under the furniture, and as you can hear, he's super quiet and very powerful. Oop, could have got a hiccup on that, but he didn't. And there he goes. I will show you what he gets when he's done. Goes under that. And there's one of the other residents who leaves their hair all over the house. That would be Ladybug, and she was asleep. He will go under her bed and clean up everything that's under her bed. We've had him for a few days now, and we love him very much. I do anyway. Here he goes, out from under the table. He's carrying that with him, but he will get it. Under the TV, there he goes. Here he comes. I might have to get up because I don't want to stop him. And he's gonna get that. Yep, he got it. There he goes. There he goes into my kitchen. He's gonna get under all the cabinets. You can spot clean. You can max suction with him which does cause him to get a little bit louder, but not bad at all. Don't know what's under my cabinet that's white. Could be something my daughter was doing, because she does her little slime stuff all the time and gets borax on the floor. And
here's a quick video of the new automatic vacuum cleaner that I unleashed on the house this morning. As you can see, it's actually doing a pretty damn good job. His nickname is Jerry. My son nicknamed him, gave him a nickname. And what he does is he just keeps going and going and going and cleaning everywhere we could find to clean. If we get a second one, we'll name him Tom. So Tom and Jerry can chase each other around the house all day long. He's mostly cleaned this room already, and I think he already put that in his internal memory. As you can see, he fits underneath the shelving, no problem. It's a slimline design, and I don't know, Christopher, how do you think he's doing so far?
I think he's doing a good job for a robot.
A good job for a robot. Would you rather sweep the floor and have the robot do it?
I'd rather have the robot do it.
Okay.
It means less work for me.
That's right. So you can see, he should be able to go underneath. Actually, you know what? Yeah, there he goes. He's underneath. He got it all clean. Now, I did notice he get a little stuck once in a while, but he eventually works his way out. As you can see, he's going lengthwise underneath. He's going all the way to the end there. You see him, Christopher? He's getting underneath the shelves. You know, you gotta like this guy. And look at that. Pop right out the first time, Christopher.
Definitely.
There's his little base station that he returns to the charge when he's done. I'll make sure I'll have to empty his thing out. Oh, looks like he wants to go back in there again. So this is the first time we're using them, and what they say is he'll continue to map out the entire house, and he'll get better and better and better as far as going over the same spots and make sure he covers all the area. Pretty cool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, alright. Let's see if he makes his way out.
Okay.
See if he gets totally stuck. I'd have to go get him. Wait, there he is. He made his way out. And there he goes. So you can know in his internal memory he's mapping out everywhere he's been.